You must have seen this trendy Ghibli Studio art photos, and you are like, if I upload my image to the free version of ChatGPT, can it actually convert that image to this Ghibli Studio art? The answer is no, because the free version of ChatGPT cannot convert your images to the Ghibli Studio style. It is only the Pro version, which is the ChatGPT 4 Plus, that can actually convert your image to the Ghibli Studio art. So, never mind, because in my research, I have found that 3 free apps slash websites that can help you convert your images to the Ghibli Studio art. If this interests you, please stick to this video to the end because you're going to learn a lot. Don't skip. For the first app I'll be sharing with you guys, you have to go to Google Play Store for Android users. For iPhone users, go to Apple Store. So once you get to your Google Play Store, you search for photo app download, and this is it over here. I've already installed it, so I'm just showing you how it looks like so that you can easily find it. So this is it over here, and then I have to tap on open. So go ahead and install the app. This is what you're going to see. Go ahead and cancel this. This app has a premium price and it allows for free trial, but whatsoever you exhaust your free trial, you can no longer use this app. So bear that in mind. So you head over to this very place that says AI filters, and then you can see Studio Ghibli is over here, which is what we are looking for. All these apps, they follow what is trending. So since you're looking for Studio Ghibli, if not, you could have tapped on see all and kind of search for it. So you can see the number of filters that are here. So this is what we want. Tap on that, and then to direct us to our gallery. So I've already downloaded an image I want to use. So you can see this is the image, a couple holding hands smiling. You can see that this picture as it is now does not have the Ghibli Studio art vibe yet. So you see how this app is going to transform this very picture right now. So you tap on upload your selfie. It's currently uploading the photos, so you have to wait for some minutes for it to upload. So guys, you can see how our picture is looking right now. This is how it's looking before and after. You can see how it is looking. You have to go ahead and tap on download and then download this image right into your phone. Image right now, how it's looking. This is now our Ghibli Studio Arts image. For the second tool we'll be using, guys, head over to Google and search for goarts.photo.com. So this is it over here. I'm going to tap on that. This website actually has a premium plan and also allows free trial. So you can go ahead and access the free trial. Sign up with your Gmail account, and once you are done with that, this is the interface you're going to see. So you have to tap on upload image. Then tap on albums. I'm going to my downloaded image. I've already downloaded an image I want to use. So this is the image I want to use over here. So I have to tap on that, and then it gets uploaded into this website. So you can see there are so many filters here. I can see Ghibli style. It has two of its kind. So I just want to pick this one. I like this one. So you can pick any of them though. Let me just pick this one. So you can see is currently processing it to give us our result. So this might take like some few minutes. Just wait, be patient. It's kind of fast and to give you the result you are looking for. Guys, this is the result of our image. You can see how it's looking. You can go ahead and download it, and then it will get saved into your device. Yes, you can see it has been downloaded success. For the other app I'll be sharing with you, head over to Google Play Store and search for this GOG 3 AI tool. You tap on that. When you search for it, this is what it will bring out. This particular one, make sure you download it. So once you have downloaded it, you tap on open. Once you have tapped on open, you can now upload in the image you want to convert to the Ghibli Studio art. So this is the plus sign here. You tap on that. So this is the image I want to convert, this very one. So I have to tap on add over here to get it added to this app. So once I have added it up, I'm going to then type in, like I'm going to describe to this AI to what I want it to do. So I'll just tell it to restyle. So once I'm done typing in what I want it to do, I tap on send and you wait for some minutes for it to actually bring out what you want. After some seconds, this is what it gives us. So you have to tap on it, and this is it. You go ahead and download it over here, and it will get saved into your device. If it was helpful to you, consider subscribing, like this video, comment, and I'll see you on my next video.